Let's assemble the flour in the pot. Take out the flour in the soil. Pass through the middle of the soil. There are many yarns. Cut off some. Cut off the short parts. Remain two longer yarns. Pull up the soil. Pass through the middle of the soil with the thinner end of crochet. Pass through. Put the yarn on the crochet. Pull down. Yarn over from the middle. And pinch the green yarn. Use a coffee yarn. Pull up the soil to the place of the leaf. Adjust it. Use a coffee yarn. Wind the rod several times. Make a knot with the other yarn. Pass through the stitch. To fix it, make a knot with the coffee yarn. Bend the rod from this place to form a loop to put into the pot. Like this. It is okay. Put it into the pot. Put all into the pot. That is okay. Put some fiber fills into the pot. Put the fiber fills around the rod to make the rod in the middle. Don't put too much. Like this is okay. Twist the yarn tight. Thread into the needle. The yarn is one short and one long. Find out when we start to crochet the row of the cast on. Count from top to bottom, the place of that. Pass through any stitch of the second lap. Yarn over the edge of the soil in any stitch. Pass the row the next stitch. Pass through the next stitch of the second row. Tighten it. Continue the next stitch. Tighten it. Continue the same way. After done, pass through this place of the pot. And pass through any place. Like this. Go on. This yarn is the same. Hide the yarn into the pot. Pass through any place. Cut off. Adjust the edge of the soil. Press down the soil. Press on the bottom of the pot to make it sink. Adjust the flour. This is okay.